Hi guys, today we are gonna do a presentation about our project, which is a text file based library system, and this project is for algorithms and constructs. And first of all, I want to share my screen. But before we go into our code, I want to show you our diagram model. It has three entities: books, students, and authors. And here are our base model. And now we can continue with our code. Here are some packages, resource packages which contain CSV files, our system package which has main, comparator package which has the comparators for our algorithms, and here it is the system controller for our controllers in the menu, and system models, author, base model, a book, constants, student, and waiting queue, and system screens. This is the structure of the menu, and utils, which helps us to build this project in an easier way, in a cleaner way. So now I will go to main. Now, this is our menu library system, data loading, like it shows that student, book, author, and relations data are loaded. And now I will continue with in our menu. With the first one, student search. There are options in the submenu such as search by ID, by name, by surname, find all borrowed book by student ID, find all waiting book by student ID, list all student by name, list all student by surname. And I will continue with search by ID. Let's continue with this one. There's Abbott McKinnon. Let's search by name. Let's go with the two, then Abbott. There are two guys, and one of their surnames are different. So let's go with to search the surname. Let's go with the Zeppelin. There's our guy. So there's a catch in our in the options 4 and 5. We will see nothing for now because we haven't registered any borrowed book, and there is no one that is on the waiting list. So I will demonstrate it right now. No one is there, and no one is there. And now I'm gonna list all student by name, then surname. Here it is for my name. As you can see, if I go a little bit slower, it's ordered in an alphabetical way. So now let's go down and let's list all student by surname. It starts with A, and it's going B, C, K, L, and Z. So we will go to main menu by pressing 99. Let's go with the borrow book. Let's borrow a book by ID, but before that, let me explain quickly the submenu. Borrow a book by ID, give back a book by ID, list borrowed books, list waiting list. So let's go with the borrow a book by ID. So in order to be able to borrow a book, you need to know the code of the book. So we go here, and here this is like, let's borrow this book, Tarzan's Magic Fountain. And here is the code. Let's copy it, and let's borrow this for our student one. Now it's borrowed, but like there's a thing. We have another student whose number is ID whose ID is 2. He wants the same book, so we put the same code, the ID 2. The book is already borrowed, so we have added you to the waiting list. Now we can check list borrowed books, and now here it is. This book was borrowed. Here's the code, and let's check list waiting list. Yeah, our our student with student ID 2 is on the waiting list. Now what should we do is to give back a book by ID. So first we put the code, and yeah, there's a guy in the waiting list for this book. So but before that, we need in then we will give this book again because this guy is on the waiting list. Let's go. The guy was 2. Let's check the waiting list now because we gave the guy with the student with ID 2 has just borrowed the book with the same code. So let's check the waiting list. No one's there. But now, before I give the word to my friend Halil, I want to show another thing which I couldn't show before in the first part. Let's go. Fine. But before that, um, let me adjust something because I want to do it in one go. I will put another guy in. You just saw that someone else borrowed the book, but now I want to add someone to waiting list so I can show the what's on the submenu of the first part. Let's give it to 1. This book is already borrowed. We have added to waiting list. Let's go to 99. Student search. They find all borrowed book by student ID. Let's go to 2. Yeah, the guy borrowed this book before, but now let's check find all waiting book by student ID. Let's go 1. Yep, here it is. Now I will go to main menu and I will give the word to my friend Halil.
Yeah, thanks. Can you open the share screen? It's a content disabled writing on me. Thanks. Let's continue to another menu. It's a book search. And here it's a same of the student. Actually, we have ID code, title, and genre. And another step, author name, surname, title, name, surname. It's a list. So let's start with ID, and here it's a simple ID, and when we put in the number, it's a give to us a book. It's a code. It's the same. We can not this. We can get book. We can get this code from book CSV, and when we enter it, it's get uh, the book from the RAM. So next one, it's a title. We can continue title and we just write the words for searching. It's a working as like contains method. Title if in title have the words, we will get this book to the list actually. And for genre, we continue with genre, and it's a option 4. We can write action for searching, and you will see it's a completely action genre for searching. And let's continue next one. Author by author name. We can get an author name on the CSV. It's like a tree. Name it's a tree. When we click it, it's get the tree name. Book actually get the book by author name tree. So it's a surname. It's the same things. We can click here and searching. It's the same. So next one, list all book order by title. It's a alphabetical ordering. It's 7. When we click it, you will see it's a yeah. You see, it's ordered by alphabetical by title. Next one, it's outdoor name by outdoor name. It's the same. Here you can see the outdoor name by alphabetical. And last one, it's a nine and for outdoor surname. Yeah, it's all of book searching and operation. It's done, and we can go back. And next option is for outdoor. And here it's the same actually. We have ID, name, surname, and by list all outdoors by name and surname. First, we can start with name. Sorry, with ID. It's a you see it's outdoors by the ID, and we can uh, do option two. It's a name, maybe Magia. I think it's just one people. Uh, Another one, it's a surname, three, maybe phones. Is yeah, it's just one. Again, actually, we can list all others by name like this. We listed all of others by name, and it's the same action for uh, five option and here. Yeah, it's all of stuff thing. I think it's done when we go back, and after that do exit. It's our program. It's done already. Uh,
Yep.
yeah.
Uh, so we
Tolga, do you have
presented
anything?
no, thank you. We presented our program, demonstrated how it works, so that our teacher can have an idea how to run it, to make it easier for everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.